You can buy precast concrete stepping stones at any home center store, but you can make them yourself for next to nothing. I was in the workshop the other day and I noticed these tops of buckets that had been trimmed off. Danny and Alan were working on a project. They needed just the bottom halves. So I noticed that these tops are exactly the same size as a good stepping stone. So I thought, well, I can make them myself with just some concrete mix. So first, I'm going to take some lubricating oil and just spray the inside. That'll just act as a releasing agent so that the concrete will come out more easily once it's cured. Then we'll slip on some rubber gloves. Now just pour the concrete right in. And the idea is to overfill this a little bit. You don't want to make a huge mess. I'm doing it here on a table that I covered with plastic just to protect the table. Scrape this out. There we go. Now, spread it out a little bit. And we're going to screed it off. You can use a trowel, but this works just as well. This is just a nice straight 1x4. There you go. That's all you need to do. Doesn't have to be much smoother than that. When that cures, it'll be perfect. All right, so we're going to let that cure overnight, and once it hardened, because we sprayed it first, that plastic ring will pop right off. And the other thing I really like about this project is that you can get the kids involved. Here's one a friend of mine made with his son. He put his handprints in and decorated it with colored stones. And you can also, if you want, you can take a masonry die and sprinkle in it and make it any color you want.